Here I have ALCATEL U3, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, you have to open Settings. Then you have to go to the Language and Input section. Not Google, no. Oh, here we are in the Language and Input. Then you have to go to the... Okay, never mind. Let's go back to the Language and Input. Then you have to go to the current keyboard, Android keyboard. Here, Languages. And here you can see all of the languages in which you can type on this device. Let's select some language, for example, Greek. And now let's try to type something in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have the Greek layout on my keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.